Uy, Sir John! Sir John, may nagtatanong sa akin ba? Ano ba daw yung integrated solar streetlights?
Integrated solar streetlights? Tara, samahan mo ako. Ito ang integrated solar streetlight. So basically, built-in yung solar panel niya at saka LED lamp. Ang integrated solar streetlight are compact, simple, and easy to install dahil sa kanyang design.
So Sir John, hindi ba mahirap i-maintain ng integrated solar streetlights?
Dahil marami na available parts ang integrated solar streetlight, hindi na rin ito mahirap palitan at i-maintain.
Ayos! So Sir John, saan naman bagay gamitin ang integrated solar streetlights?
Bagay ito sa mga sidewalks, office shades, and public waiting areas.
Galing naman yan. So Sir John, paano ba mag-order ng integrated solar streetlight sa Greenergy?
You may call or message us on our Facebook page or visit our website.